India is famous for its spices, temples, and scenic landscapes. It's a place of beauty and diversity where people gather around city centers. In the state of Andhra Pradesh alone, there are 76 million people. The 76,000 Adventists here gather in churches like this every Saturday. They happily come together with friends and family in this community of believers. As members arrive for church, it's respectful to leave your shoes outside before coming in to worship and learn. For many years now, this site has been home to the church, local administrative headquarters, and an Adventist school that is greatly appreciated by this community. Since she was 8 years old, Maria has been a student here. She didn't have an opportunity for a formal education in her home village. Her uncle worked at this school and found her a place to live with a local family. This family cared for her as their own daughter.
She's my first teacher and she taught me in the beginning God created the heaven and the earth, Genesis 1:1. My teacher at home, also in my class, and she used to teach me each and everything about Bible, home working, home cleaning, and she used to talk about my family. When you become so and so, you have to do like this. You have to tell about God. When your village mates should know you're studying here, and she used to help me.
I used to take her to school along with me. When I go to school, I used to teach moral class for her. At home, I used to teach memory verse, songs, and how to read Bible. Even I used to help in her education.
Every day, Maria's host studied with her. Through this family's ministry, Maria has been privileged to have a home and an education. The family worships together daily. Maria has learned more about Jesus. The day-to-day love she experiences here has helped her understand the love of God.
Every moment, every Sabbath is a special for each and every time. If I miss a Sabbath, I'll feel like something is gone in my life.
Today, Maria's parents and sister have been baptized in the Adventist Church. This happened because of Maria's positive example and influence. In her local church, Maria participates by telling stories and singing.
I like to go to church. I like to sing every time, each and every moment. I'll pray to sing, for I want to become religious singer.
Maria is studying hard to become a nurse. The influence of this family and a Christian education made the difference in her life. Can you imagine how many more lives can be touched? Your 13 Sabbath offerings will help to construct a mission training center in Andhra Pradesh. A building site has already been chosen. This training center will soon open doors to children like Maria, children who deserve an education for this life and for eternity. Thank you for supporting the 13th Sabbath offering.